Hello traders, welcome back to my channel once again. Today this is CN Honor on the screen and you're watching CN Great Castles and Forex Trade, and here is a quick video of a summary of our trade journey so far in the completely free Forex Signal Telegram channel that you guys asked for, right? The request has been for a long time, and I couldn't do it because I was pretty busy, but right now we've launched it. We launched it a few days ago, and we've actually traded and made money. Come on guys, if you've not joined, please, all you need to do is first and foremost subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. Click that subscribe button and turn your notifications so that whenever we upload new content, you're gonna be notified. Okay, so far, just a quick summary. We've actually we launched the channel on the 27th of January, but we did not start trading because I needed to get some members, subscribers into it, right? So we launched and we started trading on the 29th, right? So far, last week we took a total of 18 trades with about 1 or 2 losses, which were of course not really losses, right guys? They were not really losses because we recovered. There was a kind of magic, okay? And then we trade both synthetic indices and currency pairs, okay, depending on your choice, whatever you want to trade. Our own is to give you high probability signals. So we traded 18, we actually took 18 trades, 18 signals with over 99% wins, and mostly our TP1 and TP2 hitting within the shortest period of time, and TP3 in some signals, okay, also hit, right? We did trades on both synthetic and currency pairs, like I said. So overall, it was a successful trading week, and people made a whole lot of money with a highly profitable, setups, right? And please, if you've not joined, look at the trade we took so far. And interestingly, we don't just tell you to sell or buy, okay? We try to incorporate some kind of Forex educational content into our signals, okay? We give you reasons if there are patterns, if there is any development, we explain why, right? We took this trade. And not just that, we also incorporate some content that are meant to address your trading psychology. I mean, we do more of mentorship, not just signal giving, right? We incorporate content that treats or talks about, addresses your mental, your mindset, okay? Addresses your trading psychology and meant to build your confidence, meant to help you if you had wanted to quit trading Forex. I mean, it brings back your hopes alive, right? So I made a promise that this year we're gonna be, in fact, if you've not made your first million before, please get ready to make your first million with us, right? You can see the trade we took, very massive, people making profits. This was our trade on gold, and it was really massive, okay? Like I said, we still have inexhaustible, okay? This was the trade. I think this one wasn't really a loss. It later went into profit, yeah, of course. And please, like I said earlier, it's meant to help us grow, okay? We learn together, we grow together, and then we earn together. You can look, okay, why we sold Euro USD, okay? We gave explanations and people learned, okay? The same thing, massive profits. People are making hell of money just 1 week, right? So please, we still need more people on this Telegram, okay, channel. Look at it, very massive, okay? Although we trade conservatively, but then okay, these are some of the nuggets, okay? These are some of the nuggets that will help to build your trading career, that will help your trading psychology, right? Nuggets that come from CN Great Counsels. Remember, the brand is not just a nickname. We incorporate some level of counseling that will address not just your trading life, but also many areas of your life, okay? This is what we are looking at, okay? Then we treat a lot of things. So do good to click in the bio of this particular video. I'm also going to leave the link as a pinned message in the comment section, but then if you go to the description box, you're going to be seeing the link to the Telegram channel. So you come join us. We make analysis as well. We use our finest strategy and of course trading approach to make huge money from the financial market, right? So you can look at it. So do good. We make videos as well, short clips to explain what we are actually doing. This is one of them, and for the members to take maximum opportunity to maximize their profits, right? So you can see this was the one that went into loss, but then it wasn't really outright loss because our TP1 was hit, and then before the market reversed against us. So I would say that we had 99% win, and I mean the wins were massive, very, very massive. We have also made some analysis and kept waiting for the market to open for those that trade currency pairs, and then we'll see how it goes. So it's just like this. Look at it. We've actually made some analysis, and of course this is a fair value gap that was created when the market, after the NFP news the other day, and we're hoping that price will buy to fill that gap. This is gold, and not just on gold. We've made similar analysis on other pairs, okay? And as the market opens, today is weekend, Sunday already. As the market opens, we are going to look at the behavior of markets. Look at it. We've actually made some analysis, and then let's see how it's going to play out, right? We don't limit the movement of price, but this is what we are anticipating. And from the look of things, also on Euro USD, right? So you guys should watch out for this pair. Okay, my bias is bullish, but whatever plays out, we're going to look at how the market will react at the opening of the market today before we decide on what to do. And I'll be talking to you in my next video, but don't forget to subscribe and then give this video a thumbs up if you have found value in it. We have started in NS, and remember, it's going to be one complete month, one full month free signals, and a week is gone already, and we still have 3 weeks left. So please come over, and let's make this money together, and look at it just in 1 week. And then our nuggets always coming from CN Great Councils. Remember, the CN Great Councils is not a nickname, all right? It was for a purpose. Look at it, massive. People tripling their accounts, people flipping their accounts to whatever they want to, according to our signals. I mean, it's really, really worth it. So I'm gonna be talking to you in my next video. Please share this video, comment, leave your comments in the comment section. Come in, you can give us suggestions. We can learn together and grow together. Remember, your first million, if you have not made it, you're gonna make it this year with CN Great Councils and Forex trade. And if you're thinking of quitting Forex, please do not quit. The success is on the way, right? And you're gonna make it. Look at one of these nuggets. We are saying that you should stay resilient in the face of volatility, because greatness awaits you. Trust in your strategy, but never stop refining it. Believe in yourself. That's the point. Believe in yourself and in your analysis. Believe that you can make it. Believe that you are a multi-millionaire already in Forex, and then it will come to pass. So I'll be talking to you in my next video. This is CN Great Council signing out for today. Bye.